Hi everybody, and welcome to this quick how-to video on how to make working tail lamps for 8-gauge wagons. So here's a couple of MGR wagons that I've already done. As you can see, one's already had the frames partly detailed, the other one's still being done, but both have got the lamps fitted. Now, what are the lamps, are you asking? Well, what they are 0805 SMD LEDs. They're 12 volt, so you can run them off your analog track, and these have got flashing units built into them. They do come in various colours. Obviously these will be red. You also get them in whites, blues, greens, yellows, all sorts of other bits like that, so make sure you buy the red ones when you're looking for them. So let's take a quick look at how we fit them. So nice and simple. The LED is just fixed to the end of the wagon in the correct position for where the lamp bracket would be on the real thing. And then you have to attach the positive and negative to the axles. Now obviously this will only work if you've got metal axles and metal wheels. Important thing to note before we go any further is that on these wheel sets here, one wheel at each end will be isolated. So you make sure that that one and that one, for example, if they're the isolated wheels, must be opposite. Otherwise you're going to pull only current from one side and that just won't work. What I do, as you can see on this one, drill a hole in the bottom, turn her over, so you can hide the wiring inside. Obviously the greedy boards help with this. And then underneath, the resistor wire is actually wrapped around one axle, and at the other end on this wagon I've used a strip of brass just bent around the axle itself, so it makes gentle contact, like a wiper effectively, and carries current along to the LED. So that's all very good and simple, I hear you say, but what if you've got a open wagon that hasn't got these cover boards on that help hide the wires, like NHAA? There we go. Well, the simple answer there is fit a coal load. I've actually glued this one in solid. Just a sheet of card fixed in, and then some dust and powder over the top to represent the coal, and it just hides it only. The other difference on this wagon is the way I've actually attached the leads below. So as you can see on this one, again, like the HFA before, I've got the wire here from the resistor just wrapped round from the hole, to actually drill a bit further back on this one, around that axle to make contact here. And on the other end, I've actually taken the brass spring from the coupling box that was at this end of the wagon and wrapped it around the axle, and I've soldered the other wire to the spring, and it gives just as good a contact and power supply as a brass wiper. So that's something you can do actually to save yourself a little bit of money if you do it using Graham Farish Bachmann wagons. You can use the springs out of the coupling boxes as part of the electrical pickup system. So that's it guys, just one thing to note here, as you can see on the micro layout. If you're doing these wired in the way I've just showed you and you're running on analog, the positive and negative obviously are affected by the direction of current in the track. So if you're running the opposite way to how they are wired to your wheels, the rear light, as you can see on the wagon on the left, won't work. If I turn it around, and now it does, and that's it. See guys, so just take note of which way round you're wiring your LEDs in, and see, hopefully this is of use to you all and something that more people will start doing themselves. So I'll leave you with a few images now of these wagons that have been done. Thanks for watching. Please obviously comment below, like and subscribe. Bye for now.